Hello?
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified each time that I upload. Also, follow me on all my social media platforms where I keep you updated and do giveaways and say hi to you guys. And if you are an oldie but a goodie, welcome back to my channel and let's get right into the video. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have another video for you, but really quick, I just want to tell you guys that these are holding up really good. The only thing is that I had to cut them. I don't know if you guys know, but I have a farm. I have a vlog channel also if you want to see that, but I have a farm, and yeah, I can't have really long nails with everything that I'm doing. I'm feeding animals, I have a lot of dogs, and it's just a hard life out here to have long nails, you guys. So I did cut them down. I am going to keep them on until they fall off or till whatever happens, I don't know. But I'm going to be trying this same method just on TikTok. Another subscriber sent me another video of a TikTok, and she was like, can you please do this? It was actually a couple of you guys, but it's a polygel one where you put the polygel here and then you squeeze the nail, like these nails on it. Like you put the polygel on your nail, you squeeze it, you flip it over, and you just drag the polygel down, and then you could just pop these off. We're gonna see if that works, because I didn't try it on the acrylic, but I didn't think it was gonna pop off. They are staying on so well, you guys, and I feel like it like adhered to the actual nail tip. So yeah, we're gonna try that and see how that works. But first, we are going to prep our nails. Before we prep, I'm just gonna show you what I'll be using. I'll be using SXC's brush and polygel. It's brand new, so I just decided to use this one so that way I don't mess it up. I will be using these nail tips. I found them on Amazon, you guys. I will link the link in the description box for you guys, but I will just be using the coffin ones because I've been into coffin nails lately. And then I'm going to be using base coat and top coat from Model Ones. You guys know I swear by their top coat, so definitely. You can use a nail drill, which I just use B-Tart Box or Model Ones, or you could just use a regular nail file, which this is actually what I'm going to be using to prep my nails. So now going in with prep, I'm just going to be prepping and removing the shine off of my nails. I'm actually going to take a cuticle pusher and just push back my cuticles just so I can get in there really good. If you don't have a cuticle pusher, then I suggest trying on the actual nail tips, and you can actually use the nail tip as a cuticle pusher, so you could just go like this. But yeah, I'm just going to be pushing back the cuticles with the nail tip, you guys. And then I'm just going to take this nail file and just file and just go around the cuticle and make sure I take off all the dead skin. So let's do that. Try on these nail tips really quick and see which ones fit me on this hand. I tried them on this hand, and remember, one hand is always different than the other, so this one fits. And then I'm going to move on. This one fits this one. So I kind of already know my numbers. I'm just going through them again just to make sure. I want to make sure they fit sidewall to sidewall when I press down and they're not lifting or anything. So yeah, they all fit perfect. So now I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of base coat, and this is Model One's base coat, and I'm just gonna put a nice thin layer. This is so that way the polygel can adhere to the base coat. Polygel really doesn't need primer. If you want to go in with a primer so they can last a little bit longer, you can. but it's not something that it needs, you guys. Okay, so I'm a little scared on how to do this just because I'm not so sure. This is the color that I'll be using, and this is the brush that I'm going to be using, which is a normal brush that I would normally use. I'm going to take some alcohol, and I'll be using this as a solution. But yeah, I'm really scared about this. I don't know if it's going to work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my thumb first. And it just, all she did in the video, it was super quick, the video, so it's not like you can actually see like everything she's doing, but she just put like a huge glob, oh my god, of polygel, and she took the nail tip and she literally just did this, and then she flipped her finger over and she like dragged it down, if that makes sense. So I guess this is supposed to act like a dual form, kind of. Maybe that's what she did. I'm not like so sure because this is like wiggly. And I guess maybe and she didn't use no drill, no nothing, so I'm sure that this is why it's gonna be like super smooth and like flat. I'm pretty sure she just popped it off, so I don't know. Okay, this looks like it kind of works, kind of. I want to make sure it's like kind of straight. It looks like it works. Maybe I'm kind of losing it, but it looks like it could potentially work. This is my first time doing this. I don't know for sure, but I'm gonna put this in the lamp and see. Okay, you guys, so it doesn't look so bad. I haven't popped it off, but I'm gonna wait. I'm just gonna try a couple more and see. I kind of think I put too much just because it's like folding over on the back, so I'm gonna put a little bit less. She kind of looked like she didn't put that much either, but maybe I'm just over exaggerating, you know, you dig? So I'm just gonna drag that to the front. Okay, so yeah, I don't know if y'all could see in the video, but there was a lot of like spillage here, and I had to like, I don't know, it was just a lot. And then I like the method. I don't know, like I don't know if I love it. But then she did like a weird thing and popped off the actual nail tip. So we're gonna see if that actually works. And what I'm seeing right now is that it kind of doesn't. Or maybe it does. I don't know. She popped it off with one of these things. Kind of feeling like she popped it off. I don't know. It's kind of not popping off for me. Giving me a little trouble. Wonder if she put something or I don't know. But kind of not popping off. And it kind of feels like it's gonna pop off of my nail. I don't know. Maybe I did something wrong. Okay, so that literally took forever, and not only that, I'm missing polygel right here. So I don't know what she did, but or maybe I did it wrong, but this is everything she did in the video. I did it, and it doesn't pop off as easy as it showed in the video. It could be just that one nail, because this one seems like no, but it hurts like popping this off. So I don't know. It really hurts. I really feel like I'm doing it wrong. Definitely a fail. I did not like this nail tech at all. I'm gonna cut them and see what I can do to make them look nice, but this just wasn't it for me. I don't know if it's because of the brand of polygel that I used or what it was, but it just wasn't it. Like it's like not cute. Like, what is these? And look at how thick they are, you guys. Like, this is just not cute. And I don't know if you can see like underneath, it's just, I don't know if I did it wrong or what happened. Like, do you guys like it? I don't know. Like, have you guys tried this hack? Do you like this hack? I'm not gonna finish because it looks ridiculous. And it doesn't work. I'm glad that I brought it to you. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be a whole lot better than this one. I'd rather stick with dual forms, you guys, than use press-on nails, to be completely honest. It just doesn't work. To me, it doesn't work. And yeah, it just doesn't work for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. Check out my vlog channel. This isn't it. Don't try it. Well, actually, if you try it and it works out for you, definitely tell me how you did it. But other than that, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next